In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Facebook friends with one click in 2025. The first thing you have to do is enter the Facebook app. After that, click at the top right where your profile picture appears. Different options will appear, but click where it says Friends. Then click where it says Your Friends. After that, all your Facebook friends will appear. In this case, you will need to click on the three dots to the right of the friend you want to delete. Then click on the last option that says Unfriend. Next, go back, scroll down, and click where it says Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In the first section of Meta, click on Personal Details. After that, click on the last option that says Account Ownership and Control. Then click on the second option, which is Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Facebook profile and you will see two options. Select the second option and click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Then select the option I don't feel safe on Facebook and click on Continue. After that, click on Continue. Scroll down and click on Continue one more time. Finally, enter your password and click on Continue, and that's all. Subscribe. It's free.